Hello and welcome, everyone. Thank you for joining us today. I am Linda Campbell, and I am the Graduate Admissions Counselor for the Organizational Leader Programs at Lewis University. And today, we have Dr. Sheila Boysen here to talk about the Professional and Executive Coaching Concentration and the Professional and Executive Coaching Certificate offered here at Lewis University. During the event today, we will be highlighting all the things coaching within our Lewis University program. Throughout the event, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. But first, I'd like to welcome Dr. Sheila Boysen. Dr. Boysen is the director of the Masters of Organizational Leadership program. She helped start and launch both the coaching concentration and the certificate. She also created the curriculum in partnership with the alignment of the International Coach Federation. She teaches the coaching courses as well. So welcome, Sheila. And first things first, are you considering a career in coaching? So Lewis University offers a Master of Arts in Organizational Leadership degree with a Professional and Executive Coaching concentration, as well as a separate 18 credit hour graduate certificate in Professional and Executive Coaching. The program allows you to gain the education and certification credentials to enter this people-oriented career, helping others achieve their true potential. Okay, Sheila, let's begin with what kinds of people might benefit from these courses?
Absolutely. So people join our program for lots of different reasons and from many different walks of life. Maybe they're transitioning to a new career in coaching, or they want to begin coaching within an organization. We also see a lot of consultants, trainers, and leaders that are wanting to learn a coach approach to bring to their work and add to their toolkit. We also see experienced coaches wanting that academic rigor and the value that comes with a university-based certification. And of course, we also have students who are interested in getting their full Master's of Art in Organizational Leadership degree, which allows them to then choose this accredited coaching concentration to complete their full degree. So whether you're new to coaching or you are already experienced, there's really something here for everyone. The program stretches you from wherever your starting point is.
Great information. Thanks, Sheila. So what kinds of content are we covering in the coaching program?
So our coach training is solution focused, and we balance that evidence-based theory with practical application. So the courses cover topics ranging from coaching methodologies and tools to assessment to building your coaching practice, all the way to creating an internal coaching culture within an organization. And as an ICF approved coach training program, we put heavy emphasis on the coaching competencies and fully prepare students to achieve their International Coach Federation credential after completion.
That sounds really exciting. So what are the benefits of taking this program from Lewis University?
So we offer the unique benefit of being one of the only university-based ACTP accredited coach training programs by the International Coach Federation that is 100% virtual. Our blend of academic rigor and monitored practice really creates well-trained coaches that are confident and they're ready to go out and coach professionally, most of them by the time they graduate. Also, gaining your coach training through a recognized ACTP program housed within a university graduate program gives you additional credibility as a coach. All of our instructors and our mentors are highly experienced coaches with a current coaching practice. They're not just teaching coaching, they're doing coaching. So all students are assigned a practice buddy. They have access to a variety of additional resources to draw from. So they really have this opportunity to customize their learning experience. So students leave the program with everything they need to successfully coach executives and other professionals. Once they leave the Lewis University ACTP program, they have mostly logged their 100 hours. And a common theme that we hear is that the coursework was transformational. for their students. And I just love that. What a compliment to the program. They can communicate better and have more effective relationships, both professionally and personally.
So a question we get, or I get most often, is what would a typical online class look like?
So these courses are a bit unique in our program. We meet synchronously online. So you can attend class from the comfort of your own home, in your sweatpants if you want. And these classes occur on either Monday nights, Tuesday nights, or Wednesday nights. So one night a week, starting at 6 p.m. Central Time. And we're dedicated to providing a community feel to this virtual learning environment. So we use a web conferencing platform where students can participate from wherever they are in the world and blend that live interaction, chat, small breakout sessions, and give students the opportunity to actually put into practice what they learn.
Another important topic for us to cover is who is the International Coach Federation, the ICF, and why are they important?
So the International Coach Federation, or the ICF, is the only globally recognized independent credentialing program for coach practitioners. This accreditation is awarded to masterful, integral, and dedicated professionals that acquire rigorous education, experience requirements, and have an understanding of the coaching competencies through a program just like Lewis's Professional Executive Coaching Concentration or Certificate. Just 9 months into the coaching courses, or after completing those 4 coaching courses, students are prepared to sit for the ICF's Coach Knowledge Assessment. So Lewis University's online MBA in organizational leadership and professional executive coaching is accredited by the ICF. And so that gives us the opportunity to have these pathways for students to be able to pursue credentials that are meaningful to them in their career. Additionally, students can pursue the board certified coach credential. And this is a mark of distinction for those who've achieved specific coaching competency standards established by the Center for Credentialing and Education. So basically, when students complete our program, they have an opportunity to go for that BCC credential and their ICF credential.
So, with that said, what is the International Coach Federation or ICF certification process after the students complete their coursework?
So ACTP accredited programs like ours are considered all-inclusive training programs, which are start to finish coach training. They have a minimum of 125 student contact hours or training hours, mentor coaching, and a performance evaluation process. And graduates of an ACTP program can apply for an individual ICF credential via the ACTP credential application path of the ICF. And there's 2 different levels of credential. There's the ACC, which is the first level, and the PCC, which is the second level. And so the main difference there is that our program prepares you for either level of credential, but you have a chance to go after the one that aligns with the number of experience hours you have. So we work with students to help them to get that minimum of 100 hours of coaching experience and practice that are needed for them to attain their ACC. That way, when they have those 500 hours of coaching experience under their belt down the road, they can submit the exact same ACTP certificate they achieved in the program and go ahead and apply for their PCC professional certified coach.
Great information. Great. Now, let's open the floor to any questions. All right, one question is coming in that we get quite often. What are the different types of coaching?
So there are a number of different types of coaching, which make this such an important question. A career coach is someone who helps them kind of pick out what type of career path or career area they want to explore, and then how to go about attaining that. Life coaches work with individuals on all aspects of their personal life and professional life as well. And we have a lot of students coming into the program that would like to become business coaches, professional coaches, or executive coaches. And that's working with business people, professionals, and executives. All coaches use the same skill set to help people achieve their full potential, but specialized types of coaching like career, executive, or life, just to name a few, are really based on your own strengths and interest as a coach. So lots of opportunity to pursue your specific areas of passion as you specialize in your coaching, which we talk about quite a bit throughout our curriculum.
Well, and now to the question we get most often. So how do I apply? Well, our program begins every 8 weeks. And once you submit your application, you will work closely with our graduate admission counselor and our enrollment team. We will get you squared away with the application process from start to finish. Experience in the workplace, especially direct involvement in management, provides an essential resource for all our applicants. Students seeking a graduate degree must fulfill the following minimal requirements. You must hold a baccalaureate degree from a regionally accredited institution of higher education. Complete a graduate application found on our website, accompanied by the appropriate non-refundable application fee. Also, submit official transcripts from all institutions of higher education previously attended. Applicants should have earned a 3.0 undergraduate GPA, and those seeking admission without the appropriate GPA requirement may still be offered a provisional admittance. Submit 2 completed recommendation forms by 2 professional recommenders. We just ask that no personal friends or family members be submitted. And finally, create an essay concerning one's personal and professional direction. So, are you ready? Apply today. Call 815-836-5704 to speak with a graduate admissions counselor or apply at the address shown. This will conclude our event today, but I certainly want to thank you for your attention and for joining. I'd also like to thank you, Dr. Sheila Boysen. Your information has been so very comprehensive and insightful. It was such a pleasure having you dedicate your time to highlight this wonderful program. Thanks so much, everyone. Bye-bye.